Welcome to another episode of cmdtyView tips and tricks. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the alert functionality built inside of cmdtyView. With alerts, you can set price-based alerts whether a price goes above or below a level that you set. To access alerts, click on the bell icon in the lower right. That'll bring up alerts that you already have set. You can see that the alert at the top has already been triggered. I'm going to reset this alert using the reset icon, so you can see the notification that appears on the screen when it's triggered. This alert has been re-triggered. And there I just received a text message with the alert as well. To set up a new alert, click the plus icon. You could enter a symbol or you could search by keyword. I'm going to select May 2021 corn. The current price is shown on the screen. I'm going to set this at $5.40. And I'm going to make a note that this is for client John. Click Save, and the alert then goes into my screen. If you want to configure how the alerts are sent to you, click the settings icon. You could see here that you could have them sent via email, text, or both email and text. You could change those settings and then click Save. To remove this panel, click the alert icon again. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another episode of cmdtyView tips and tricks.